Why don't you fucking fly over there? If you could fly so well, you fucking bird. You're a bird, aren't you? Fucking fly. That's your daddy. You're recording me. I know it. This is YouTube all over.
Huh.
Fly to your stupid dad. I mean, to your dad, stupid. I said it backwards. Fly to your dad, stupid. Not to your stupid dad. Yeah, you see, you get defensive when I call him stupid, don't you? You get defensive when I call your daddy stupid, huh? I saw you raise your feathers.
Yeah, talking to him in bird language.
No, he's human. He can fucking hear me. Obviously, he don't like me, and I didn't even have to say anything to him. You keep on squeaking. I know you're talking shit too, that's why I ain't shut up yet either. I just don't know what you're saying.
Poor fucking bird.
Poor bird. Oh my fucking god, poor bird, you rescued him from his escapee previous whatever. You captured him, Sarah. He's obviously someone else's pet. Don't you get close to me. Get back.
Hey, you wanted to make friends, and then
I don't want to make friends. He's gonna bite my fucking nose.
He won't bite your face.
He's gonna bite my lip. He's gonna liar. I've had a bird bite my lip and
He
stuff
won't bite
before.
you. He'll bite your hand. That's it. No, I promise. He'll bite your hand.
I don't trust you.
I'm not gonna.
And I do not trust your bird.
I'm not gonna make you get bit.
I know this is your new attack bird.